Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time, but it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to say it the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice day here. More so really a nice afternoon, because beforehand, again, each of these represents 30 minutes. So the earlier part of the day, not really much was going on. And then all of a sudden, the latter part of the day happened, and you can see volume picked up and the price reacted nicely with it. So let's start first with some areas of support. Then we can talk about areas of resistance. So first area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 54 cents, that would be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Now, if the price does drop below 54 cents, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above there, that would certainly be the best case scenario. But then taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line down here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards and look something like that. And, the easiest way to really look at this is as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Because, you stop and think about it. What does the price have to do in order to stay above the purple line that's increasing? Well, the price itself has to continue to increase. And that, by definition, is what a bullish move is, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them in certain ways, they really do just insult your intelligence and make it quite straightforward. So, again, very simplistic way to look at this from a bigger picture perspective. As long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control. Now, what about areas of resistance? So for this, I'm going to scrunch up the chart just a little bit to make sure I'm not really, there we go. So let's see, did the price bounce off these areas today? Actually a little bit higher. So right up there, and I'm gonna call 59 cents. Again, I realize the price technically got a little bit above it, just like it got above it, back here. But then there's also been some cases where the prices bounced directly off it, like you can see there. So 59 cents, definitely that key level. Now, when I say it makes sense, I'm not saying that the price is impossible to ever break through it. I'm just saying, looking back now, okay, yeah, that seems like a logical spot on why the price would all of a sudden start to struggle there up around 59 cents. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice day. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.